In this short video, I'll show you how to install the off-roam mount in the 2024 Ford Ranger. This mounting base is designed to fit the new Ranger with a dashboard that looks like this. It will also fit the Ford Everest, but for a complete compatibility list, double check our website because the Ford Ranger is a global platform and different countries have different model years that are compatible with this base, so make sure you're getting the right product for your needs. There are 3 easy steps to follow. Using the Allen key, open up the mounting base by backing out these 2 screws. The mounting base will do this. Let's take a closer look at the mounting base itself. This whole unit is made fully of metal. This is an aluminum design. It's got an integrated 20mm ball, and right on top we have a 1/4-20 camera thread for additional accessories. We'll talk about those later. My absolute favorite feature about this design is we make use of the existing features of the Ranger to attach to. We don't force you to take anything apart. We don't force you to drill to get a really sturdy mount like I've got right here. So in the step 2, let's offer it up. We make use of this area right here. If you run your finger behind your screen, you'll see there's a bit of an air vent, and we're going to hook onto that. I'm going to line up one of the louvers through in this clearance slot like this. And the next feature we make use of is this gap right here that separates the top bezel from the screen. It hooks on like this. The contact area, before I secure it, is lined with a rubber elastomer. So if you ever have to remove this, it'll come right off without leaving any marks. So again, let's line this up, rotate and secure this like so. And the last and the third step is to cinch down the 2 screws to clamp the mounting base in place. As you're getting close to finishing, make sure you go back and forth between the screws just a handful of times to make sure they're equally and securely snug. That's it. Now I have a really sturdy mounting base for the rest of the off-roam system. So at the moment, I've got a pair of mounting bases installed, but if you wanted to, you could expand this by adding 2 more for a finished look that looks like this. So if you're looking to build some sort of a command center, if you have many accessories like radios and forward-looking cameras or radar detectors or phone mounts and everything you can think of, this is the solution for you. These are really securely mounted and they install super easily and they remove without any marks. With the mounting base in place, let's install the rest of the system. The rest of the system comes with an articulating arm and a choice of a phone holder. This is a universal phone holder that fits most of the phones, and we'll talk about the magnetic options later. To install the holder, loosen the thumb nut to open up the arm, place the arm over the ball, and insert the holder into the other end. You can start tightening the arm back up, but before you fully secure it in place, you can choose a position that works for you. So there's plenty of options to mount your phone. I'm going to go with this spot right here, and once I'm happy with the position, what I'll do is I'll lock it fully in place. Now I can use one hand to place the phone in and one hand to take it out. It's that easy to use. Inside of this holder, there are 2 beautifully machined shafts and a pair of perfectly tuned springs, so you can use one hand motion to install the phone. And because it's built right into the vehicle, it's really, really sturdy. It's secure, it's not going to wobble, it's not going to vibrate, and it's perfect for off-roading. If you've got a MagSafe equipped phone, this phone holder may be for you. Inside of here, there's an array of magnets that follows the MagSafe circular pattern. Again, to install this, loosen the thumb nut, place it over the ball, and insert the holder into the other end. Once you found a position that works for you, lock the arm in place. And I've got this regular MagSafe holder made by Apple. It's got good magnets inside, and all I got to do is bring this to the magnet and it just holds it in place. It's really nice and secure. It's that easy to use. It's even easier than the universal phone holder. I can change the orientation. I can place it in portrait or landscape mode. And if you don't want to be plugging your phone in every time you get in and get out of your vehicle, this phone holder may be for you. Again, this is a MagSafe holder, so it's got that same strong magnet array built inside. But in addition, it also has a Qi 2 charger. So you get a fast charge and a strong hold in one. To install this, loosen the thumb nut, place it over the ball, insert the holder into the other end. Find a spot that works for you and lock it in place like this. Once you're happy with the position, plug in the back. Now if I bring my phone close, I get a nice and secure hold, and I'm also getting a nice and fast charge. I routed this cable all the way to the armrest where I've got a 12-volt outlet to give me enough power to power this charger for a nice and fast charge. Again, you can feel like this is self-centering and it's really, really secure. It's nicely on there, and you can take this phone on any terrain. It's going to hold just fine. Well, and for the bonus part of the video, we'll take a look at what we can do with the 1/4 thread that we've got on top. So I've got this GoPro camera mount with a 1/4 male thread, and I can just secure that on there. And I've got myself a forward-looking camera if I'm taking any nice footage, if I'm going off-road, or if I'm going to a nice spot, or if I just want a dash cam. This is a good spot to mount that. And since I've got the 20mm ball available to me, I can mount this Garmin satellite messenger to this, and just find a spot that works for you and lock it in place. So as you can tell, you can make use of this mounting base to create a command center for the way you drive, or for whatever your needs are. Well, I hope you found these instructions clear and this video useful. Thanks very much for watching.